Today we are going to cover the fundamentals of capitalizing character, words, and sentences. Whether you're crafting text masterpieces or just feeling extra fancy, this tutorial's got your back. And it's all going down in the Notes app.
Notes.
And guess what? This trick works like a charm across all apps with text fields. We're about to become capitalization champs in the world of UEB.
Capitals, you are awesome.
First things first, let's talk about capitalizing individual characters. Imagine you're typing "you are awesome," and you want to give those A's a little extra oomph. Simple. Just give .6 a gentle tap. The Hables lets out a quick vibration. Now, brace yourselves, because the next character you type will be uppercase.
Cap Y, U, space, U. Cap A, R.
When it vibrates once more, it's giving you the thumbs up that caps lock mode is off. From this point on, it's lowercase. Now, let's take things up a notch and capitalize entire words. Tap .6 2 times. Then start typing your word.
Caps lock on. Cap Y, Cap O, Cap U.
But wait for it. As soon as you hit the space key, the capitalization comes to a stop.
Caps lock off. A, R, E, space, A.
Feeling bold and ready to go all out on sentences? Tap .6 3 times like you're summoning a capitalization genie. Now, every letter you type will be in caps.
Caps lock on. Cap Y, Cap O, Cap U, space, Cap A, Cap R, Cap E.
And here's the secret sauce. To switch back to lowercase, give .2 and 8 a high five, or the new line button. With Hable, capitalizing characters, words, or sentences becomes a piece of cake.